Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to create tax exemptions for products like gift cards in your My Dakis account settings. Here we are in our My Dakis account. Let's click on the settings icon in the left-hand menu to expand the settings menu. Next, we'll click on the Taxes and Fees drop-down to expand that menu. Then, we'll select Tax Exemptions from the available options and click that. This will open the Tax Exemptions page where we can add a specific tax exemption for a product category in our inventory. Let's click the Add Exemptions button now to open up the Merchandise Categories page. Here, we can find the gift card product and add an exemption. Once we check the box for gift cards, we just need to hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. A message will appear at the bottom of the screen, letting us know the exemption was added. The gift cards category will no longer be charged tax in the cart. And that's how you add a tax exemption for a product category. Easy, right? Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.